Marriage is not just a human contract. Marriage is not just a human endeavor, but it is a covenant between a man, a woman with God. That's why the promise and commitment to love in the context of marriage is not just between the two couple, but with God. That is why the man and the woman in the wedding ceremony would say, "Wear this ring as a sign of my love and commitment for you. Whatever happens, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, in good times and in bad times, whatever happens, I will promise to love you." And then there is an addition. I make this promise in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. This promise will endure not because of our human efforts, but the Holy Spirit will empower us, will give us the courage to continue believing in this love despite of the times that it is shaken by trials and difficulties.